Welcome back to Uma Talks. And here today, I'm there with a very important topic. Okay, tips to avoid sleep while studying. Yes, most of the children suffer this, and studying actually is not considered enjoyable by many. It is considered as boring task and done without interest. We very often hear people saying that they feel sleepy while studying, especially during exams. And when we have limited time, a lot of study is to be done, we feel very sleepy. And can we afford to lose that valuable time by sleeping unnecessarily? What can be done to avoid that? So we'll talk about it today. Sleeping. Hello friends, welcome back to Uma Talks. And here today I'm back. Okay, definitely after a long duration, but yes, I have returned back. I have come back with something very important for all of you. Now children are preparing for their exams. Okay, 12th, 10th, okay, for the board exams. Other students are also studying for their exams, and the most important problem which the children face is they feel sleepy during studying. Okay, when they are studying for the exams, when they sit to study, the drowsiness and sleepiness, that is the main problem. So today what I thought is that I come before you and give you some of the solutions, some of the ways by which you can develop a better concentration, and the time can be utilized constructively. Okay, so in the beginning, today I have attached a video. Okay, hope you all like it. And yes, friends, I want all of your support. Okay, I am trying to make it better and better every time. Now you very well know that I'm not a technology person, but then I'm trying my level best to make it better for you. So do appreciate. Okay, keep guiding me, and yeah, keep supporting me. Okay, so that I get boosted and I try my best to bring something better for you, and do suggest also what you want. So today, during for the examination, in that examination scheme, this is the first video. So I've noted down some of the points on which I'm going to elaborate today. So today I'm going to talk about it, ways, okay, the different ways. I've just noted down the points and I'll try to elaborate on it. Okay, how to avoid sleep while studying. So the very first point is, yes, normally we often sit to study after lunch or dinner, and when we sit for lunch or dinner, we have a heavy meal. Okay, the stomach is full, and you know what, that the complete oxygen, okay, the complete energy that is utilized by the body, okay, in digestion of the food, and then little less of oxygen is supplied to the brain becomes little lethargic, and hence we feel like sleeping, we want to sleep and drowsiness. So my suggestion to you is that the lunch or dinner, whatever it is, the meals, okay, let it be little lighter. Okay, so that soon after having it you don't feel like sleeping. But still, if some of you want to go for a nap, want to take a rest after your lunch or your dinner, after your meal, then just go for a half an hour nap, and that will be more than enough. You will get up refreshed. So that is my first suggestion. Yes, the second one is associated with the place that we choose to study. Yes, that also matters, you know, place and position. Yes, place is that whether you are sitting and studying in your bedroom, on the bed, okay, or in your room where it is there to study. People in the house are like that. They keep making different sounds and troubles. We'll have to bear with it. This is what is life. Okay, do bear with me. Yes, so this is what, when you sit on the bed and study, children, the brain itself understands that yes, bed is for sleeping, and then you start feeling sleepy. So the best thing is table and chair, okay, a room which is well lit up, जहाँ पे अच्छा लाइट आता हो, ओके, और जहाँ पे ग्लूमी नहीं हो, डार्क डार्क नहीं हो, पूरा लाइटेड अप रहे, तो दैट गिव्स अ वेरी पॉजिटिवनेस एंड यू फील लाइक स्टडिंग ओवर देयर. So your position and the place where you choose, that also matters a lot. Okay, कि आपको नींद आए नहीं आए उसमें इसका भी contribution है. Okay, this is my second point. Now when I come to the third one, yes, whenever you feel tired while studying, okay, then do not go on continuing with the studying. You feel tired, you feel little bored, okay, stop the study over there, okay, get up from there, go drink water, okay, stretch yourself and then start revision. Start revision means like as if you are teaching to somebody. So whatever you have learned, okay, start reading aloud, and if you have a board, you can do it on that, or if you have a notebook, you can start writing on the notebook, okay, as if you are teaching to somebody. Your brain as well as your body both will once again get re-energized, and you can again start your studies after that. Okay, so this is my third point. The fourth point is that, yes, some of the students, they take up one subject and throughout the day, from morning till night, they'll be studying that particular subject. So that really tires your brain, tires you also, and monotonous it becomes. So what you do, that is my suggestion, okay, that you do a combination of subjects. You study in a combination, like you take two subjects. You can take history or social studies, whatever, any subject, okay, that you need to little mug up. That can be done in the morning, and at nights, okay, you can take some other subject, and during the daytime you can take science. For that timetable also, I am on my way of making a timetable for you, so we will talk about that. So you can take a theoretical subject in the morning and a subject like that, maths, in the evening. You can, if you want to study all the subjects throughout the day, okay, all 5 subjects or all your subjects, that is also good, okay. As I told you, I am working on that, and very soon I'll get a video. So do, as I've been telling you, do subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications, and exams are coming up, okay. So you will be getting something new, something motivating, something which is going to help you. I will be putting it. And yes, this was my fourth one, okay. So and yes, for reading subjects, when you are reading something, do not read silently, okay. That also, after some time, you will start feeling sleepy, okay. So drowsiness आने लग जाएगा. तो आप क्या करें, जो भी आप पढ़ रहे हो, read little aloud and sit with a pen, okay. Start marking it also, start highlighting the lines which you feel is important, so that will keep your brain also active, okay. And this will completely involve your complete body, and when you sit and revise those underlined main points, that is going to help you a lot, okay. Now let me come to the fifth point. Yes, many of us, whenever we are studying, we sit with a bottle of water. That's a good thing. But here I would suggest you that don't sit with that bottle of water. What you do is, when you feel thirsty, okay, get up from your place. When you feel tired, okay, get up from your place, go to your kitchen, wherever it is. It's winter time, so not to the refrigerator. Definitely it will make you sick, okay. And go to the kitchen, take a glass of water, drink it to keep yourself hydrated, okay. That is really very good. So take that, take a round, move about in the house, stretch yourself a bit, and then come back to your studies, okay. So that is again very good, to keep drinking water and to keep yourself hydrated. If you take tea or coffee, don't take more than 2 or 3 cups, okay. You are a student studying over there, okay. So this was my fifth point. Now sixth, yes, a good sleep is very, very important. So about 6 to 7 hours sleep, that much only I will suggest for you now, because your exams are fast approaching, okay. And besides that, even then, if you feel sleepy sometimes, okay, it's not that it's hard or fast rule, okay, just follow it 6 to 7 hours. But besides that, someday you may feel tired and all that, so then you can take a nap, okay. And when you get up after 1 hour or half an hour, you will feel refreshed, So that is there, and you can again concentrate in your studies. Yes, the seventh point, a very short one, but then keep a consistent time of waking up. It's not that late night, one day you study till 2 o'clock and the next day you get up at morning 10 o'clock. Then the other day again, night 10 o'clock, and the next day morning 5 o'clock. So your biological clock, that is the body clock, that will also not get adjusted. Okay, so that is again very, very important, a consistent waking up time. Okay, so that the body gets adjusted. और जितना भी रोज अगर आप 5 o'clock उठते हैं, 6 o'clock, so that time your body gets ready to wake up. Yes, the next point, eighth point, again very important, keep motivating yourself. Yes, always you yourself should be a motivator. Yeah, I am putting motivational things for you. Okay, so do keep watching that also. But then you yourself are your best motivators. So keep motivating. Keep reminding yourself of the target which you have set up. Okay, keep setting smaller, shorter targets, and do keep rewarding also yourself when you finish it off. Suppose you feel that yeah, I'm going to complete this particular one chapter of chemistry in 2 days. Okay, and if you are able to do, that is your target. If you are able to do in that 2 days, okay, better reward yourself. Not a very big reward, you can reward yourself with a chocolate. Yes, fix up that target and keep rewarding also yourself. Okay, so that must be there. Yes, and the other one, keep mentally and physically active and disciplined. See that you are not distracted. Okay, distracted towards anything. It may be towards friends, towards television, okay, towards media, towards your mobiles, okay, so anything, social media, anything. So just see to that you remain disciplined, because exam time and everything, each whatever each activity which you do, everything counts. And yes, my 10th point and the very last point, that is stay fit and healthy and have confidence on yourself. Okay, keep telling yourself that yes, you can, you will, okay, achieve whatever your target is. So on this positive note, I come to the end of today's video and hope it is beneficial for all of you, and you all follow it, okay, and in some or the other way each one of you gets benefited. Okay, and I just wish and pray to God that all of you get a very good result. I will be bringing quite many videos relating to it, okay, not only to sleep but to other things. As I told you, I'm working on timetables. I will do that, okay, but till then, thank you all, thank you for watching, thank you so much, keep watching.